Hey guys. Okay, so this is week 3, and week 3 you are going to be converting between customary units of length. And customary just means the units of length that we use, like inches, feet, yards, miles, not kilometers, grams. We learned a few weeks ago. So this is what we're going to solve first. We're going to solve the one in the box. So 1 foot equals how many inches? Well, most of us know. But if you don't, okay, you can go down to slide 6 and you can click for a star chart. Now, it's not going to see the whole thing. You'll scroll down as the top one just shows this. Scroll down and it shows you right there. Okay, 1 foot equals 12 inches. Okay, so let's go back. 1 foot, 12 inches. 1 yard equals 3 feet. And 1 mile, I want to make sure I get it correct, 1,760 yards. Okay, now some of the questions are going to be just as easy as this. Other ones you have to do a little bit different. So the next one on the bottom says blank feet equal 1 mile. Okay, well 1 mile equals this many yards. So that means we have to convert twice. So this would be one conversion. And then we'd have to go, okay, well that's yards, so now this is how many yards, how many feet? 3. So how do we get how many miles in feet? We do this number times 3. Okay, so 1 mile equals 1,760 yards, and 1 yard equals 3 feet. So we need to multiply these two. So we go 1,760 times 3. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 6 is 18. Carry the 1. 3 times 7 is 21. Plus 1 is 22. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 2 is 5. 5,280. 5,280 feet in 1 mile. Okay, same thing with this. We have 2 yards equals how many inches? Well, I know that 1 foot equals 12 inches. And there are 3 feet in a yard. So, I forgot how to clear all of it, sorry. Okay, so we're going to do 12 times 3. Yes, because we're trying to find out how many inches are in 1 yard. So 1 yard equals blank inches. That is very small. Try to make that a little bit bigger. Okay. So 12 times 3. 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 1 is 3. You can also think there's 3, so there's 1, 10, and 12. 10 times 3 is 30, and then 2 times 3 is 6, so that'd be 36. Now that is for 1 yard. We're talking about for 2 yards. So you can do it 2 ways. Do 36 plus 36, get 12, and then 7, 72, or find room down here, 36 times 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7, 72. So that's how many inches are in 2 yards. 72 inches. Okay, that's the same thing you're going to do for the other ones. Okay, so it says match the measurements that are equivalent and place them in the rectangle. So I've already found 1 foot and 12 inches, they go together. So you need to find other ones if you have half a foot. So let's look at that one. If I know 1 foot is 12 inches, how many inches are in half a foot? So you would find the one that is, again, 6 feet. Do this with all of them. They have yards, they have miles, all that in it. Then you need to complete this question And then the measurement test. This is the graded part. You still have to do all the others, but this is the graded part. Click here for a star chart. Okay, and then you click on the boxes to fill them in. Okay, answer all these questions. If you have any questions, remember I will be on Zoom Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday this week from 1 to 2, or you can email me with any questions you have. Bye guys, miss you.